Hey Creative Design family, welcome back guys. Today I am doing a Sweet 16 dessert table set up, and it was for a large amount of guests, about 250 people. So we had several different desserts: chocolate covered Oreos, strawberries, cheesecake shooters, banana pudding shooters. This event had 5 different cakes set up. It was just a different array of different desserts as well as candies. I incorporated a lot of hard candies for younger children and kind of set up a separate dessert buffet for them so they would not make a mess of the more expensive desserts. So here you guys just starting to prep for this event. Um, this is the first time I've gone in and just done nothing but the dessert table. Of course, me wanting to be very, very appreciative for this job. This was a big job for me. I did do a balloon garland for them as a courtesy, and I will drop just an insert of that balloon garland here so you guys can see that. So you see me here actually going in. I use gold sequence tablecloths. The color for this birthday celebration was turquoise and champagne gold or metallic gold. Princess Jaya wanted those colors. This family had a huge celebration. They had people coming in from another country. They are from India, and I was so grateful that they chose me to be a part of this event. So this was the first time I've actually done decor for them, so they entrusted me, and I was very, very excited. So I'm just going to explain a little bit to you guys about what I did for this setup and some tips, some pros and cons if you have a dessert table set up. And then I'm going to let you guys just enjoy the clips. You see me here setting up all of my tablecloths and linen. I actually knew I had such a large amount of desserts that I needed 2 tables. So these were 2 6-foot tables put together, and I just kind of let the tablecloths overlap, drop into the center, and just connected these. I did want to tell you guys, anytime you're doing a dessert table, I learned definitely want to make sure that you prep and get all of your labels off of your containers. That slowed me down a lot. My husband actually purchased something called Goo Be Gone, and it was so much easier to get the labels off with those if you can't actually soak large platters or dishes. So I did that, but then I had to just go back and wash everything down, so I cut that clip out. So just make sure that you prep those things. I wrapped them good in paper so that they wouldn't break in transportation, but some of the things were new and I didn't take the tags off, so I didn't think about only washing and having to remove tags. So just make sure that, for some reason, stores put them in the most awkward places, that you get that done. That saves you a lot of time. Then what I did, one of the things that I like that I did do was just lay everything out on the table. So once I got everything cleaned and prepped, I just kind of laid all of my elevated cake plates, pieces to hold my desserts. I laid them out as in the way that I thought I wanted to present these desserts on the table. That gave me an idea of what needed to be where before I actually started handling the desserts. Because I had a lot of things that were covered in chocolate. I didn't want them to melt. I didn't want to be, hovering over people's food a lot because, of course, we are still in a pandemic, although things are getting better. So I thought this was a perfect idea to just kind of lay things out the way that you want them to be before you actually start putting out desserts. So it worked out wonderful for me, guys. So I'm just going to show you guys the rest of this and let you enjoy it. You see I've gotten the linen on. I'm going to show you some clips of my husband and I putting things onto the table, the actual platters and trays, and then I'll show you a final clip. I think it came out absolutely awesome. The client was very, very happy. The desserts were absolutely amazing. I got a treat box myself because I ordered some things. I didn't have time to bake, so I ordered things to be done for this. So the person that did those for me actually gave me samples and made a cute little box for me, and I was very, very appreciative. So things did turn out nice, and they also taste amazing. This piece that you see me inserting here was a cake stand that I ordered from eFavorMart, and I will drop that in the comment section below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to have each of you all become a part of the creative family. Here we love each other, encourage each other, and learn as we go. So thanks for joining. Continue to watch, guys, and let's get to the end of this final product.